Hi guys, so this is another bonus from my side. This is again just like the dice routine you saw. There's one more dice routine, which is again very cool. So the last one was more of a bet that you will always win, a mental bet that you will always win. This one kind of feels like mind reading. Actually, pick up your calculator. Do you have your phone? In fact, while Raj is doing this, you pick up your calculator, pick up your phone, pick up a regular calculator, pick up this, and this will work on you as well. While you are watching this will work on you and work on 1, 2, 3. Do you have any clue what I'm holding on my hands?
No.
Because I'm holding on to something that is imaginary, something you cannot see. Let's say I'm holding on to 7 imaginary dice. Okay. All of you imagine 7 imaginary dice. The mistake that I used to do was the plural of multiple number of dice is still a dice. So I used to make the mistake of calling them dices. Please Google. No matter how many dice are involved, the plural of dice is still a dice. Okay. So I do. This is my scripting. I say just to build drama, just to bring out my playful character. I ask them, can you see what these are? They say no. These are 7. I say 7 imaginary dice. I say, could you please hold on to them? Full character, full acting. Then sometimes I might crack a joke. Oh, they fell on the floor. If it fits your character, do it. Otherwise, straight away go for it. They take it. I say, throw it. Imagine throwing it on the table, or imagine throwing it on my hands. They throw it. I say, pick up one of them. And remember, in your imagination, don't tell it to me, in your imagination, pick up one of them, look at one of the numbers on the dice, on the face of the dice. Then you say 1 to 6, because dice is 1 to 6, right? Actually, on a calculator, whatever number you imagined, sir, ma'am, whoever is watching, imagine one number from 1 to 6. Imagine you picked up 1 dice out of the 7 dice that you rolled. Take 1 in your imagination, look at the face on that number, of course, between 1 to 6. Type that number on a calculator. Do not show it to me. Of course, people who are watching, I cannot see. Archie, my head is turned. My eyes are closed. Done?
Yes, sir.
Great. Let's do a quick average. My eyes are still closed. Let's do a quick average. We use 7 dice, right? So whatever number you typed, divide that number by 7. You should have some kind of a decimal, right?
Yes.
So a large decimal, right? So let's make this into a whole number, because decimal is a little hard to work with. Let's convert this number into a whole number. The whole large number. Let's say we can if you multiply this decimal by a large number, it will become a whole number. Let's do a million. Oh my God, a million will give me the same number. Let's say whatever decimal you have, multiply this decimal by almost a number close to a million. That could be, I think 6 nines together. 999,999. Whatever decimal you have, multiply by 999,999. It should give you some kind of a whole number, I hope.
Yes.
Got it? All of you at home, whatever decimal you had, multiply by, I was going to go for a million, but then I cursed myself understanding. If you multiply by a million, it will almost give the same number, but let's do whatever decimal you have, multiply by 999,999, which is 6 nines together. Hit equal to, you should have a number. Okay, so right now perform for Archie and for all of you all. I don't know how large the number is, but let's say, Archie, focus on the smallest number in the series of numbers.
Okay.
See, when I say smallest, so I'm talking to you, I'm talking to Archie, I'm talking to everybody. When I said smallest, you were very quick answering yes. So the smallest number is a 1, right?
Yes.
Okay. So look at the second smallest.
Yes.
That was even quicker. So second smallest, I mentioned second smallest, that the kind of reaction that Archie gave and the kind of reaction that you're giving, sir, ma'am. I know, I'm just messing with all of y'all. Second number is 2.
Yes.
Second smallest is 2. Focus on the third smallest. Oh, so the kind of Archie said makes me wonder. The third smallest is not following the pattern. The third smallest is not a 3, so it's a 4.
Yes.
Focus on the next smallest.
Yes.
5.
Yes.
Okay. There is how many more numbers left that I've not got?
2 more numbers.
Okay. 1, 2, 4, 5 I had gotten.
Yes.
Okay. Focus on the last 2 numbers. Don't tell me. Now I'll take a pen and paper, build drama, or I can just say 7 and 8.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
So this I don't know where this principle comes from. Clear of, can I have the calculator, Archie? So if you remember my script, or watch my performance once more, watch it multiple times. So when it comes to scripting, you should never look scripted. You know you're scripted. In fact, you and I know we are scripted, but the script should not feel like a script, right? That's why we have character. I brought built character by saying this, imaginary, all of that, and I said these are, I look up. I make it look like I'm making the script on the spot, whereas I am scripted word by word, right? I bring them. Let's say you have 7 dice, right? 7 dice. Why do I introduce 7 dice? Because the maximum number that they can pick from one die is a 6. The maximum number that they can pick from one die is a 6. That is why I'm introducing 7 dice. So I can force a decimal. Okay. Going back, there's a 7 dice. Take all of them, roll them. Take one and have a look. The scripting is, you have to be not everybody understands that the numbers on one dice is 1 to 6. Not everybody understands. 95% of the people will know. But for the rest of them, your instructions have to be very, very clear. Right? 7 dice, take them, have a roll. Take one, have a look at the face of one of the dice that you have picked. Please emphasize between 1 and 6, right? You ask them between 1 and 6, right? Just to cover those people who might not know that the dice is from 1 to 6, right? So they're going to end up thinking a number between 1 to 6, right? We don't know what the number is. Let's say the number is a 5. Correct? Let's say we don't know what the number is. So then once they punch in that number, I look up and think. I say, let's do a quick average. Let's say divide this. Yeah, we use 7 dice, right? If you look at what is average is not this. This is not average. Average is what? How many numbers are being involved? Divide by, that is average. Average is different. Average is A plus B plus C by how many elements got involved. That is average. But in this context, when you say it, trust me, everybody buys. Everybody buys. So they've hit 5. You don't know what number they hit. Let's say they've hit 5. Then I look up and think and say, let's do a quick average. We used 7 dice, right? Whatever number you punched in, divide that number by 7. Divide by 7 equal to is always a decimal. No matter what number they put, is always a decimal, right? Whether if the largest number that they can put is a 6. 6 by 7 is also a decimal, right? We don't know what this decimal is, but some math genius has figured out from here, if you multiply by exactly 999,999, 6 nines together, it is always the same result. You will fool yourself when you do it. Now check it. Multiply 6 nines together, 999,999. Hit equal to, it is always 1, 2, skip 3, 4, 5, skip 6, 7, 8. It is always 1, 2, skip 2. Sorry, it is always 1, 2, skip 3, 4, 5, skip 6, 7, 8. But in a different sequence. Depending on what number they started with, that will define what sequence it's going to be. But it will always be 1, 2, skip 3, 4, 5, skip 6, 7, 8. That is why when the reveal happens, you say, look at the smallest number. The smallest number is always a 1, right? The second smallest is always a 2, right? Skip 3, in your head you skip 3. Then the third smallest is a 4. The third smallest is 4. The fourth smallest is a 5. Skip 6. Last two, reveal them as mind reading. Okay, now we'll check out the different number. Let's clear everything. Okay, let's say we'll put 2. 2 divided by 7 equal to, it's a decimal. Multiply by 99999. Same numbers but different sequence. Look at this: 1 2, skip 3, 4 5, skip 6, 7 8. It is always 6 digits, always the same numbers in a different sequence. That is all. That is all. You just positively abuse that math principle. And when you say multiply this by 999, please don't make it look like it is a script. If you look at my performance, what I would do is, after I say let's do a quick average, it is not quick average, it is not literal quick average, but people buy it. Whatever number they see in their imagination, divided by 7, which is decimal, then I build on it. I say it must be decimal, which is logical. It must be decimal. Let's say let's make this into a whole number, a large whole number. To make this into a large, I close my eyes, I do all the drama. Look at my performance. I'll say we can multiply this by 1,000,000. Oh my God, what a fool I am! I curse myself. And I say, if you multiply by 1,000,000, it will almost give the same number. Not necessarily true. Then I say, let's do something close to 1,000,000, maybe something like Then I act like I'm convinced. I cursed myself, then I act like I'm convinced. You might think, Narpath, can it work just mathematically? Yes, it will work mathematically, but should we do it just mathematically? No. We're performers, right? We're artists. I would say, oh my God, let's do something. See, I give a logic to everything. Then I would say, let's look at a number that's very close to 1,000,000. Yeah, I think let's do this. Let's do whatever decimal you have, multiply this decimal by 99. You have to be very clear here. Please don't go by saying 99 lakh, 9 million. Don't do it. I've done it and I've failed. So I straight away say 999, 6 nines together. When they multiply exactly this 999 into whatever decimal they have, the product of that is always 1 2, skip 3, 4 5, skip 6, 7 8. The reveal is focus on the smallest number. That is a constant, right? Whatever sequence they have, that is a constant. Focus on the smallest number, 1. Second smallest number, 2. Third smallest number, 4. If you want, leave it from here. The rest of the numbers are what? 5, 7, 8. Reveal 5, 7, 8 as mind reading. Okay? Otherwise, this is something I've been having so much fun with. Quick recap: dice they throw, they look at one of the dice from 1 to 6, punch in that number, divide by a quick average by 7, whatever number they punched in by 7, which is a decimal, multiply that by 999, gives you a product that is always same, a different sequence. Reveal is first smallest, second smallest. The product is always 1 2, skip 3, 4 5, skip 6, 7 8. Have a lot of fun with this. Kill people. Enjoy. Bye-bye.